Champlain Hudson Power Express, CHPE or CHPE, is a groundbreaking electrical transmission project that will deliver 1,250 megawatts of clean hydroelectric power, which is enough to serve over 1 million homes. The CHPE project is a state-of-the-art application of HVDC for city center infeed, where renewable power is brought directly into the heart of a global city.
The hydropower that will be delivered of the Champlain Hudson Power Express will come from 60 generating stations that are located across geographically diverse areas of Quebec. The line will connect into Hertel, which will then connect into our broader network.
The Hertel station is just outside of Montreal, and it takes alternating current that's generated using hydroelectric power and converts it to direct current. Then the direct current is transmitted via a pair of cables, underground and underwater, all the way from Montreal to New York City. And then here in New York City, it's converted back to alternating current and is distributed for general consumption.
CHPE is a really ambitious project. We're taking an underground cable 339 miles from the Canadian border down to the New York City area through waterways of Lake Champlain, the Hudson River, multiple towns along the route, the Harlem River, New York City, Randall's Island, into Queens. It's really neat to be able to bring clean power to areas that were once served by fossil generation and improve the lives of the local community.
Powered by compact HVDC light, the CHPE project overcomes space limitations, eases grid congestion, and minimizes environmental impact, all while remaining virtually invisible.
The impact of CHPE for the people of New York is the ability to supply 1,250 megawatts of clean, renewable energy, up to 20% of New York City's power supply. The CHPE project will power essential services such as hospitals, schools, firehouses, police precincts, all vital services that allow New York City to be the worldwide gem that it is.
Champlain Hudson Power Express is going to be critical to New York City's reliability as the grid is experiencing higher and higher electricity demands.
Hitachi Energy is key to this entire process because they have all the different technologies that we need to bring a converter station online under one roof. One of the key technologies Hitachi Energy provides is the VSC HVDC valves. That, combined with their Mach control system, is top of the class.
The HVDC light VSC converter transmits electricity directly between two terminals using high voltage direct current. It consists of two converter stations, one at each side of the cable, converts AC to DC and back. The fully buried configuration preserves urban aesthetics, minimizes ecological impact, and improves resilience against extreme weather. The Mach control system is the digital brain precisely managing the conversion process, monitoring system health and instantly responding to grid changes.
To deliver a project as complex as CHPE requires a very high level of sophistication among the project execution groups. Hitachi proved to us that they had the requisite skills to deliver a project of this magnitude on time and efficiently.
On this project, the team was developed very strategically. Hitachi Energy was responsible for the design and procurement and commissioning of all of the HVDC equipment. From the early design phase all the way through construction, we all had one common goal, and that was to deliver a successful, safe, reliable, high-quality project to TDI for the CHPE program.
At CHPE, safety is a top priority for us. Our expectation is that when you come to work, you go home the same way that you came in. Everything we do throughout the day, the plans, the engineering, all comes together and allows that to happen.
These kinds of partnerships that span over a decade are essential not only because it brings in technical execution, but we're able to build trust.
The benefits of CHPE are social, they are financial, they are increasing sustainability. This will be the first of many, many projects in North America that will utilize this technology to deliver results for the people of the United States.
The project will dramatically improve the air quality here in New York City by displacing fossil fuels, equivalent to almost half of the cars on New York City's roads annually. It's going to be a significant contributor towards reaching their goals for 70% clean electricity and also for reducing their greenhouse gases. Climate emissions, they don't know borders. To see Quebec and New York benefit from this tremendous project fills me with gratitude and excitement for the future.
It gives me an enormous sense of pride bringing 1,250 megawatts of clean, renewable energy to the people of New York City.
And when I look up and I tell my kids, Dad worked on this project that's helping light the city where we live, I'll feel tremendously proud.